Hey guys, I wanted Domino's pizza for dinner tonight, and full disclosure, I already ate the pizza and it was delicious. But I want to walk you through some of the calculations I did to make sure I maximize the amount of pizza I get for my money. Let's take a look.
Domino's has a deal right now for 50% off all pizzas at menu price. So we're going to run an exercise and figure out how much pizza I can get for $1, or what's the most economical way I can buy pizza. Domino's pizzas come in three sizes: medium, which is 12 inches, large, which is 14 inches, and then you have extra large, which is 16 inches. But we'll get to that. So why don't I go ahead and order some pizza and we'll see how much these cost. I'll add the extravaganza. No, I don't want to customize it. I'll add one more. And then I'll go to checkout. So this is our large pizza with no customizations. Goes for $9 a piece. All right, keep that number in mind. We're going to open this and we're going to customize it to an extra large. And I will add a topping, jalapeno peppers. Save changes. Okay, so now we're up to $20.98, or roughly $10.50 each. A medium pizza you can get for $7, and that's with the caveat with their standard deal, two topping pizzas. So you have to buy two of these at $7 a piece. A large pizza and an extra large pizza, we're getting a special deal today, which is 50% off the menu price, which you see reflected here. So these ordinarily cost $18 and $21 a piece. But 50% off, we'll say, for today's calculation. Let's run this. So we'll say here's the price divided by the area in square inches. So this is just pi r squared. And medium comes out to about 6 cents, a little more than 6 cents per. If we expand this to large, large comes out to just under that, 5.8 cents per, and extra large comes out to 5.2 cents per. Extra large, definitely the best deal, but a lot more pizza, and this doesn't come in the hand tossed, so this is only the Brooklyn style. So depending on what style of pizza you like, and of course with the promotion, extra large seems to be the best deal at the moment.
So I ended up getting the extra large extravaganza, and this looks delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more cool money saving tips.